Today we have the 2021 MG HS. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 24,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control and our keyless ignition. On our screen, we can access navigation, radio, climate control, Apple CarPlay, and if we put our vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. If we go into our vehicle settings and into comfort and convenience, we have advanced features such as follow me home and find my car. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.